Welcome, my friends. This class will be a really relaxed, gentle practice to help you wind down, preparing your body for sleep, or just to help you relax when you need a moment of calm. You'll be lying down for the entire class, so you could even do it in your bed if you like. Wherever you are, come to lie down on your back and draw your knees in towards your chest for a hug. Adding a gentle rock from side to side if that feels good. Don't underestimate the power of self-touch to soothe and nourish. And perhaps closing your eyes here if that feels comfortable for you, and maybe keeping them closed throughout the practice. Taking your palms face down on the knees, drawing a circle in one direction, and then the other way. Keeping your right knee hugged in towards your chest, place your left foot down. Keeping your left knee bent or extending it out long. Hugging that right knee in towards your chest. And then from here, using your right hand on the right shin to draw the right knee towards your right armpit. Left hand can reach out wide or press down on the left thigh and the left hip to keep that left hip grounded. From here, reaching for your right toes or the outside edge of your right foot for a half happy baby. We'll get a bit deeper into the hips, so rebend your left knee and then cross your right ankle over top of the left knee. For ankle to knee stretch, to deepen this, draw your legs in towards your chest and catch hold of the left leg. Maybe rocking side to side. And then from here, you'll keep the shape of your legs, but lower your left foot down to the mat, taking your arms out wide and dropping your legs over to the left, setting up for a reclined twist. So your right foot is making contact with the floor. Option, if it's in your practice, to take twisted roots, which is a deeper version of this twist, wrapping the right leg around left leg, turning your gaze over to the right. And deepening your breath. Every breath in, visualize sending that inhale all the way down to the base of your spine and exhale completely. Slowly and gently unwind your twist and cross your legs, take your feet out wide and begin to find windscreen wipers, dropping the knees side to side to find a little bit of release in the low back. Pause with knees to center and drop the knees in towards one another, keeping your feet out wide for constructive rest. Take your hands to your belly or ribs and we'll find 3 deep cleansing breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling, sighing out the mouth. Deep breath in. Exhale, sigh. And twice more on your own. And we'll repeat that set of movements on the second side, so hugging your left knee in towards your chest, keeping right knee bent or extending it out long. And then drawing your left knee out towards the left armpit. Left arm reaches to the inside of the leg, catching hold of your left big toe or the foot for half happy baby. Rebend your right knee if it was extended, crossing left ankle over right knee. Maybe drawing legs in towards the chest and adding a gentle rock if that feels good. And we'll find that twist, keeping the legs in that figure 4 shape, lowering the right foot down and then dropping your legs over to the right. So your left foot is making contact with the floor. Or if you want to take the twisted roots variation, wrapping your left leg around the right. Unwinding from your twist, and now extending both legs up towards the ceiling. Perhaps rubbing hands up and down the backs of the thighs. If you feel a little bit of tension in your hamstrings. Otherwise, just allowing your body to relax. And then opening the legs into a V, bending knees, catching feet for a full happy baby. Adding a rock side to side. And then when you're ready, setting yourself up for Savasana, our final resting pose. Taking the time that you need to get comfortable, maybe wrapping yourself in a blanket, getting a pillow for your head, closing down your eyes if they're not already closed, and coming into a place of rest. The ancient yogis taught that peace and joy comes from within us. It's our natural state of being, but the external noise of the world distracts us, making the path back home to ourselves hard to navigate. Allow the quietness of this practice to find your home center within. No distractions, just being. If you're already in bed or want to rest longer, stay exactly where you are. Otherwise, begin to find movements in fingers and toes. Bending your knees, roll onto your right side, and then eventually press on up into a comfortable seat. Palms face down on your knees. Taking a moment to notice how you feel. Place both hands over your heart. And then bringing both palms to touch in Anjali Mudra, bowing forward to close your practice. I hope you found this practice restful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hype it if that's available to you, as well as subscribing to my channel for more yoga videos. I wish you a peaceful night's sleep.